land all the way to the water. Hi family, today we're going to do this is the experiment. We need water, food coloring, and this syrup. and of course corn syrup. And of course food coloring. Oh, oops. That's my fault. I can't squeeze that much.
Maybe that's enough. Okay, ready to start pouring?
Okay, and it feels kind of hot.
I'll do it, Mama. Good job.
Well, water finished. And now time for the oil. There's the sunflower oil. Can I please help me help family? Teeny teeny toe. Kick the tino tina tea. I'm in the wow. You are what I'll be. Well, this is the oil, this is the water. They don't mix and this is less than the water. And so this is syrup. Let's try the syrup. Is it gonna be more or less or just less than?
Keep going, love. Ooh, maybe that's enough.
A little bit of here. It's on the bottom, so it's on the very bottom side. And this is more than the oil in the water. Look what I got. I got lots of things in the house that are actually objects. And of course, I got some candy too. and more of stuff. I'm gonna start with the candy. I'm gonna do 2 candies. I think it'll land in the water because much more. Let's check. It's on the water. Look at it. It's kind of floating. It's more dense than the water.
Very good, Boo Boo.
Okay, now I want to do the pen. I think it's gonna go in the oil. Let's check.
You're correct.
Yes, it means that it's less dense than the water. Next one is baby bottle. Let's see. It landed on top of the oil, so it means less dense than the oil. Family. Next is coins. I can't find the other coin, but that's
There you go.
you look on this. Chris, next is 2 coins. I got a weird coin and a fake coin. This thing is the way out of the cellophane. Wow. That coin landed on there and this coin landed here. So that means it's more or less than the other ones and it's more or less than the other ones. Fake coin is more density than the water, so the fake coin landed on there and this coin landed on a syrup. So cool! Wow! Now time for the little people. Let's see. I think it's gonna land all the way to the water. Yes.
You are right. In the water.
Yes, they're all wet now. They have the more density than the water, but why are they fighting? Next is screwdriver. I think it's gonna go with the coin, but to their friends.
Are they friends?
No, I was mom. It landed in the syrup. So it's the same density as the syrup. Next is spoons. I have my spoon and Addie's spoon. So Addie's spoon. This spoon. I think it's gonna land all the way to the bottom with the coin. No, I was wrong. And of course, this landed on the oil and this landed on what? I guess it landed somewhere
in the water.
This spoon is less dense than my spoon.
Good girl.
Okay, next two crayons. I don't know. It landed in the water, so it's the same density as the water. Which one should I pick? Marker. I think it's gonna land in the oil, so here we go. Ta-da!
You're right.
It's the same density as the oil, so I was right. Do you see? And one. Oh, you don't? You have it. Mine did like sea salt. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn the bell. I promise we're on right here. Love you all so much. So in the next video, are you subscribed yet? Are you subscribed? Are you sure you're subscribed? Are you sure you're subscribed? I love you all so much. See you in the next video. Google, what is density?
According to Google Arts and Culture, the density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. The symbol most often used for density is rho, although the Latin letter d can also be used. Mathematically, density is defined as mass divided by volume. Display style rho equals frac mv.
So what did it say?
This is what we have word.
Right.
Density.